Okay, so let us look at this question on set theory. So the question reads, a cancer diseases hospital is pretesting the suitability of a new cancer treatment at the facility. A poll is made on 100 cancer patients and results obtained are summarized in the table below. Okay, so in this table we have in the first column here we have the types of cancer, and then in the first row here we have the state of their interest. Okay, so we have those that are not interested, we have those that are neutral, and we have those that are what, interested. Okay, so here they're saying let A represent cervical, let B represent prostate, and then let C represent colon. Okay, we are further being told that X represents not interested, so I'll write X on top here. Y represents neutral, and then Z represents interested there. Okay, so the first question here they're asking us how many cancer patients were interested in the new treatment. Okay, so to find how many patients were interested, we just go to this column here for interested. Okay, so this is the column that contains the number of patients that are interested. Okay, so we see like we have 11 interested from the cervical cancer, we have 3 interested from the prostate, and then we have 1 interested from the colon. Okay, so we're going to say number 1 here. Number of people that are interested is being represented by a Z, is just equals to, and then we add the numbers in this column. Okay, so we're going to say 11 plus 3 plus 1, which will just give us how many patients? 15 patients. Okay, so 15 patients are interested. And then number 2, we are saying of those that were neutral. Okay, how many had prostate or colon cancer? Okay, so of those that were not neutral, so if the patients are not neutral, okay, then it's either they are what, not interested, or they're interested. So we can somehow cancel out this column here, so we remain with the column for not interested here and the column for what, interested. So now the question says of those that were not neutral, so meaning either not interested or interested, right? How many had prostate or colon cancer? So we're first of all going to go uh, for the prostate. So for the prostate we have 18 not interested, and then we have those that are interested as being 3. So we are going to add those numbers. Okay, so we are going to say the number of prostate, which is B, or colon, which is C, is just equals to, we add 18 plus 3, so that will be the first bunch, 18 plus 3 when we talk about prostate. Okay, and then for colon we're going to add 24 plus 1, so we are going to say this plus, okay, 24 and then plus 1. So we can add whatever we have in the bracket, so we have 21 plus 20, this will be 25. Okay, so when you find the total here, we're going to find 46 patients. Okay, and then let's solve the last one there. Okay, so number 3, it's saying how many had cervical or prostate cancer and were not interested. Okay, so from our table there we can see the column that contains not interested. Okay, so the second column there being represented by this X here. Okay, it has the heading not interested here. So we want to find how many had cervical or prostate cancer and were not what, interested. So we are going to go into this column here. So we're just going to add the number of patients that had cervical or what, prostate cancer. So we're going to say the number of those that had cervical represented by A, or those that had prostate represented by B, is just going to be equals to, okay, so within this same column here we're just going to add the number of cervical, which is 10, plus the number of prostate, which is 18, and then this is going to give us what? 28 patients. Okay, so that's how we solve this question. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel for those that need extra lessons. Okay, we are offering extra lessons. You can find my number in the description of this video. Please contact me, register, and start learning easily.